Alright y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. I have Century 21 on their way out to remove this sign.
Congratulations, y'all.
Thank you. And it's gone. We closed. Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. So today I am doing my curtains in my room. I went out to Walmart. This is not in affiliation to Walmart, nor is this channel sponsored by Walmart. I just love Walmart products, and you should have seen the disclaimer before I started the video. Anywho, I found these single drapery rods from Mainstays, and it's the 3/4 diameter fake acrylic, the big bling. So we're gonna get this out the box and we're gonna get my curtains hung up today. So sit back and relax. If you're new to the channel, thank you, thank you, thank you. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a likes and leave me a lovely comment and let me know if you have purchased these type of curtain rods from our fabulous store that we shop at all the time when I do my Walmart Wednesdays. So I'll be back once I get this box open. Rod set, you get a left side, a right side of course, and then you get an extension pole that takes you all the way to the length of 84 inches across. So it starts from 30 inches to 84 inches. My windows are not that wide, so I will not be utilizing this extra pole. Okay. And then if you remember the curtains that I purchased a couple weeks ago at Ollie's, I had got them in silver and cream, and here they are. So we are going to be using these today. Let me move you up close. Sorry, I'm all over the place. These are the curtains that we're going to be using. The silvers. Okay, and also off camera, it comes with all of these, you know, your hangers and your screws. Luckily for me, the last owner that lived here, he did not take out the screws to hang your curtains. And I already tested the other side of the curtain out, the other side of the window. So I don't have to do any drilling or nailing, which is a good thing because I am filming this at 5 o'clock in the morning. My sister-in-law, she's still here. She's out in her room asleep. And so is my husband, even though he's on the other side of the house, but I don't want to be rude and be banging and all that. So it was a blessing to have this pretty skirt already up in here. So just like so, very easy for me. And I'm gonna just take this rod. We're just gonna slide these over in here. Just like that. See how the bling looks? Isn't that beautiful? Side of it, side view. These are really pretty. And I could not believe the price. They were $18.88 per pole. So $40 for nice curtain rods. Beautiful. If you're going for that acrylic glam look in your bedroom. Alright, so got that on. Oops. We're just going to throw in the pole on here. And that's it. Turn you up. Just gonna slide these. Perfect. Now I have my window curtains up. I love them. So I can't give you a full view of my room right now because we're still working on it. But I can show you just the top of that window and that window. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, make sure to hit the subscribe button, give me your likes, and don't forget to leave me a lovely comment. Because I want you to make sure that you tune in for my grand tour of my fabulous bedroom. I'm getting it together. I still have paintings and wall fixtures to get up, but it's coming along. Have some more things that are ordered for this section of my room, which is going to be my seating area. I just put it down like that, over in the corner. So that's what the curtains look like, and that's what it looks like with the bling rod. Isn't that fabulous? And then we move over here to this one. So these are really elegant, fabulous for under 20 bucks. Alright y'all, and as I always say, child, if it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it. Y'all stay blessed, and I'll see y'all in another fabulous video. Bye bye.